Waiting for a judge to make a ruling in one of the lawsuits filed in the governor's race. We could get a decision at any time.
Democrat Stacey Abrams' campaign asked for an absentee and provisional ballot recount. They were thrown out for insufficient information to be counted. But Brian Kemp's campaign says that the math is on his side and that he won the election.
Now, Fox 5's Carrie Charles has been at the federal courthouse all day and joins us now live with the latest. Carrie?
Yeah, and we expected that decision to come before noon today. That didn't happen, and we were told later in the day. When it does come, we know that it will be critical because the results of it could determine if all counties will have to count those provisional and absentee ballots. These are ones we were talking about for having that insufficient information. Now, the determination as we get it and we understand it, it could be extremely critical because it could affect Georgia's tight governor's race. Republican nominee Brian Kemp leads the results. We actually just checked the Secretary of State's website. His lead is by almost 55,000 votes. The state's Republican Party actually took legal action in hopes of stopping efforts by Democrats. The Georgia GOP, referring to it as an effort to count illegal votes, also says these are tactics to silence nearly 2 million people throughout the state who threw their support behind Kemp to be our next governor. Democratic nominee Stacey Abrams and her camp led the court effort. They want ballots cast by people who voted in different counties from where they are registered to be counted. They also want those votes thrown out for that insufficient information we mentioned to be included in the overall count. Democrats say including those votes could lead to a recount. As you know, as you've heard, they filed a series of lawsuits, but the decision that we are waiting on that is expected to come down at some point today, it is very critical. Again, it could require those outstanding ballots to be counted. As soon as we get that information, we'll bring it to you. Live tonight in downtown Atlanta, Carrie Charles, Fox 5 News.
Carrie, thanks.